have another super exciting challenge for you today. This is the Easter Egg Roulette Challenge.
Woo.
Man, one thing I like about Easter is the chocolate.
I also love the chocolate.
And the chocolate.
Yeah, that too.
And the chocolate.
Also that.
How does this challenge work?
Well, as you can see, we've got our lovely board of Easter eggs here. And what's going to happen is we're going to pick an egg each. And inside the eggs, there's going to be one of three things. Some good fillings, some bad fillings, or a chance card. If you finish the egg, if you eat it whole, you get to crack a real egg on the other person's head.
Yes.
If you don't eat the whole egg, the other person gets to crack an egg on your head. And if you get the chance card, you have to crack an egg on your own head.
Let's get ready!
Let's get ready! I'm ready!
I'm gonna go for the green one first.
Green one, start at the top.
Be
nice.
The safest.
Alright, big bite. Oh, it's chocolate. Oh, okay, that's very good. But you know what that means now?
One less good egg.
You get to crack an egg on my head.
Oh yeah, that too.
Oh, please be. Please.
Hope it's not hard boiled.
Please be boiled.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know, it might not be, but it feels like, hang on. That's bitter.
That's freezing.
Time to get your revenge.
Oh, I really want to get my revenge. Okay. Okay, here goes.
A
chance card.
All right, so.
Oh wait, that means I have to crack an egg on my own head.
Oh! That's nasty.
It went down my back.
Yeah, this is probably going to be the biggest mistake of my life.
Just eat it, go. Oh, a chance card. You know what that means? Ah! Yeah.
All right.
Well, so far, I think you're catching up. Come on, please, please, please.
Oh, another piece of paper. Oh, that went everywhere. Oh. Round 3. You're gonna go for yellow. Oh.
Oh!
I don't know what that is.
It looks like condensed milk or something.
No. It's baby food. It's baby food. Baby food is gross. Give me one of those eggs. I enjoyed that.
You get to crack one on my head.
I'm not gonna crack this one on your head. I'll knock you out.
Crack it on my head. Do it. Do it.
Oh!
You don't have to rub it in.
Yeah, I do.
No.
It's like a good shampoo. Oh, yuck.
What am I gonna go? I haven't had red one yet.
Oh, that's not so bad.
There's an egg inside a chocolate egg.
An egg inside a chocolate egg.
Oh.
Happy Easter.
Oh.
How did you guys get that in
I
there?
don't know, but I don't like it.
Think fried eggs, but with chocolate on the top. Kind of like when you have those waffles.
Stop talking. Why is it green?
Well,
is that normal?
Yeah, no, that's quite normal. Or not?
I think I'm pretty sure I failed on that one for the amount that I've spit out.
You can put that down, and I'll just I'm gonna do this over your head this time. So
yeah.
No. Here we go. It can't get any worse.
Please pick a bad one. What have you got?
It looks like egg yolk, but it's caramel.
What? Oh, you got the other good. Oh, okay. Which also means that I get egged again.
Okay. That's so hard.
Go. Ah! So cool.
That was bad.
Oh,
okay.
Please, please, please. Oh!
Another chance one. That went everywhere. I think they hit the back of the wall. Oh, that's on my foot. All right, so final round.
Nice big bite.
Tomato sauce.
Oh, that's an interesting combination.
Oh.
You go, oh.
My body rejects this. Evil, nasty egg. Egg me. Oh, yes! Finally.
Okay, last one.
Oh, oh, that's not.
Oh, pickle.
It's pickle. Pickle chocolate. Chocolate pickle.
Which isn't a great taste, but I think I can get through it. I have a tactic. If I eat all of the pickles individually
then
out of the egg,
maybe.
and then just
right.
eat the chocolate,
That
it'll be
sauce
fine.
though, I I suppose that means
That's good.
you get to crack one.
I got
on
a
my
crack
head.
egg.
Ah!
Yes.
So we have the extra round. I am super
Yeah.
pumped for this. What are you guys handing me? What is that? Why is it? Can we open? Should we just open it?
Let's just open it. I think we just have to eat it.
It's a dinosaur. Whoa!
Whoa. Oh, it's ice cream.
Oh, you got ice cream egg. What have I got?
Ice cream.
Oh, McDonald's! Alright, well, that was the Easter Egg Roulette Challenge. That was a whole lot of fun,
Yeah,
right?
it was.
Man, people like to celebrate Easter in a whole lot of different ways. People celebrate it with copious amounts of chocolate. Some people celebrate it for the holiday that it is, and some people celebrate the choice that Jesus made. Whatever choices we make, we need to own it, because we had a whole lot of different choices, right?
We did have a whole lot of different choices to make.
Even with choices like the pickle and chocolate one, doesn't initially sound that great, but it's what you make of it. But I chose to look at tomato sauce and chocolate and went, no, I can't do it. But in the end, it's what we make of it. So whatever choices you have to make this Easter, own it. Peace out. Ah!
Happy Easter!
Done.
Do you want me
Finished.
to crack another egg on your head? Okay.
Ah!
Oh, that's a lot of yolk.
Yeah, that's in my face.
Yep.
Ah.
Happy Easter.